This boring one-page website makes $3,700 every single month. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to use AI to copy and paste this business so that you can start selling with it right away. I mean, seriously, just look at the proof. This website did $12,900 in pure profit in less than 4 months, and the Instagram page that's actually promoting it has less than 950 followers. That's real money from a tiny micro audience. And so even if you have no audience or you only have a few followers, I'll show you exactly how you can make your next digital product sale using this. Quick context, my name is Richard, and in the last 4 years, I used this exact system I'm about to share with you to make over 27 million for my laptop while quite literally traveling anywhere in the world. But today is not about me, it's about you. And I want to show you how simple this method is. Also, there's no tech experience required. I do not have a technical background, no coding experience, and I'm gonna build live in front of you this money-making machine in less than the next 10 minutes here, using AI to do 85% of all the work, including all the technical work. We're talking about a simple AI-powered and built website that does all the selling of digital products on semi-autopilot for you. No inventory, no shipping or headaches like that, just pure profit while you're sleeping. Because while everyone's building complicated websites and funnels, burning thousands of dollars on ads, some random person who didn't want to show their face online is profiting from this one boring website that seems so stupid simple until you see those daily Stripe notifications hitting your bank account every single day. So here's exactly what I'm going to show you. First, how do you actually choose done-for-you digital products that you didn't have to make that pay anywhere from $100 to $500 in pure profit in your pocket per sale? Or if you want to make your own digital product, how you can use AI to build a digital product in less than 60 seconds, even if you don't have any prior business experience or have your digital product yet. Second, I'm going to show you the exact AI tool that can rebuild these simple one-page website funnels and handle all the payment processing for you without you having to touch a single line of code. And third, you might be wondering, well, I don't have a big audience, so where are the buyers going to come from? I'm going to show you how to leverage Instagram and TikTok's free algorithm to drive thousands of interested prospects to buy your digital product, even if you don't have a following. And by the way, this strategy works even better if you don't have your own following and you're starting an account from scratch. So at this end of the video, even if you have no product, no technical experience, and you don't want to show your face and don't even have an audience, you'll see exactly step-by-step how people are making 3, 5, even 10 grand a month following this simple AI copy and paste system. Now, a website that's pulling thousands a month that is this simple, it might feel a little too good to be true until you realize why this works so well. And the AI tool that I'm going to be using today is called Allen.store. This is an AI website builder where you don't even need to drag and drop like websites like ClickFunnels or Shopify, because those still require 15, 30, or an hour of your time to actually drag and drop websites. This, you just pop in the website and it builds it for you. Let's dive into these 3 simple steps on my computer here, and I'll show you how you can implement this. So step number 1 is choosing a done-for-you digital product so you do not have to make your own product. The problem with most people is they think, man, I got to spend weeks or months. I got to go to a fancy studio, buy a nice camera and computer to build this beautiful course, when you do realize that you don't even need your own product these days anymore. Seriously, just go to Allen.store. I'll put a link down below so you can check this out. When you take a look at the products that other businesses have already made that they want you to sell, and they're even paying upwards of 80 to 100% commissions, it will literally blow your mind. Well, take a look at this, the 3-hour six-pack system. This is a digital product made by a fitness coach. It's $67, and the business owner is paying you 100% commission. That means you make $67 for every single sale. This basically is the same equivalent of you selling your own product, but in this case, you don't even have to make one. And the beauty of Allen.store is all these products are completely vetted, they're proven to convert, they're made by experts and coaches that have already been in the industry for years. If you're wondering, well, why exactly would they be willing to pay such high commissions on these products? It's actually really simple. Most of these business owners typically have high ticket back-end coaching programs that are a couple $1,000s, a couple $100s. And so what they want to do is they actually want to give you 100% or pretty damn close to 100% commission on these lower ticket products that are $500 or less, because that way they get these customers in, they give you a nice commission, and they can now provide a great experience to these business owners and upsell them. There's a very famous quote that goes that successful business owners don't think about how to make sales, they think about how to get more customers. And because they're able to get customers practically for free, because yeah, they're paying you 100% of the sale, but they're also not losing any money on advertising trying to acquire these customers. That's why they're so incentivized to give you 100% commissions on these products. Now, my recommendation to you is pick no more than 3 products. So if you go to Allen.store, just go ahead and choose this product. I'll choose this one, and let's choose this product here. Boom. Now you got 3 products. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down below and I'm going to click on the button, generate my AI store. And now the AI is going to build your website. Now, if you're thinking, well, what if I do have my own digital product? I want to make my own digital product. Like, for example, me, when I was 21 years old, my first digital product was actually a $497 productivity course. Now, AI didn't exist 5-6 years ago, so I actually spent about 3 months building that product on my own. But if you wanted to use AI to quite literally build you a digital product in a couple minutes to an hour, you could also use that with this feature right over here. So what you do is you're going to go to Alan right here, and then you're going to click on Product Builder. And then all you got to do is just type in a detailed prompt. So let's use that fitness example. I'm going to go ahead and type in here, I want to create a PDF ebook that teaches people how to get six-pack abs, even if they have a super busy job. Split the section into different sections of workout plan, maximum 3 times per week for minimum 30 minutes a session, diet and nutrition, and rest and recovery section. And I'm just going to hit enter. And guys, I want you to see what happens the moment you click enter. In literally seconds, Alan AI creates the entire product. It covers the design, the summary guides, the resources, the information, literally everything. It's a complete sellable product ready to go out of the box, and you did not have to make this at all. Now, here's the thing. Most of my mentees and clients, they typically stick with the option of selling done-for-you digital products because that way you just don't even have to make a digital product yourself. Like seriously, why would you reinvent the wheel from ground zero if you could profit from what's already working? So that's step number 1. Let's go to step number 2 now. Step number 2 is building your own website from scratch using AI. Now, this is where Alan AI becomes absolutely magical. Because once you've chosen your digital products, the website's actually the easiest part. Building a one-page website that's super high converting is actually the easy part. What I'm going to do here is just click Create AI Website and watch what happens. First, you're going to put in your Instagram handle. This is going to be the easiest way to have a domain, alan.store/whatever it may be. So in my case, I'm just going to put an example, Richard YU Allen. That's my personal Instagram. I'll put my Instagram down below in the description if you ever want to connect with me. Now, I'll use my photo, but you could also go completely faceless and choose one of these cute avatars here, right? Then enter your basic name, email, phone number. That way, Alan will actually email you over your custom built website, and then choose your pick your color. Now, I really like this purple. I think the purple looks really professional. So I'm going to choose that. And then now I'm going to click generate website. And guys, this is crazy. Look before your eyes. It will literally build you an AI website in how long? Guys, it's literally done. And it's been what? 20 seconds, okay? And the coolest thing is if you click open any of these sales pages here, every single one of the sales pages are perfectly written. Optimized copywriting, the photos, the bullets, the pricing, the part where customers put in their credit card information to actually buy your product. It's literally all made for you. The system's already set up. You just got to simply connect your Stripe or your PayPal, and it takes you, 30 seconds to do? And you are now ready to start making money immediately. Your website is done. Alan.store/Richard YU Allen is officially live, and people can literally start buying from this website right now. This is the same exact website that is making people like Lila, and it's just one page, multiple products with unlimited earning potential. Now that takes me to step number 3, which is called the unlimited traffic system. And this is where all the magic happens. You see, at the end of the day, you need eyeballs. That's called traffic. People actually finding out about your website, otherwise no one's ever going to buy. You could have the best product in the world, the best website in the world, but if no one knows that you have the website in the first place, then no one's gonna buy. So right now I'm gonna show you the exact step-by-step copy and paste blueprint to how to generate endless amounts of leads without spending a single dollar on advertising. So the key that we're gonna be leveraging here is short, viral, 7 to 10 second videos that go extremely viral and attract your target customer. Now, the coolest thing about these videos is number 1, they're very, very easy to make. Typically, I'll take you 5 to 10 minutes to edit one of these videos. 2, you can do these completely faceless. So if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to, unless you're like me, you actually care about building a personal brand. But again, either way works. And number 3, AI can actually do about 80 to 90% of the work in creating this AI content for you. So let me explain to you what I mean by this. Okay. So let's go over here to the viral content feature inside of Alan AI. Okay. And the coolest thing here is all you need to do is model and modify. Remember, you never have to reinvent the wheel with anything. You just take content that is already viral on Instagram, that other creators did all the hard work of creating this content, and you just simply model and modify them to make your own viral content. So for example, here, I'm going to go ahead and take Lila. Lila's Instagram account, she's got less than 1,000 followers. I'll pop that in here. But remember, this Instagram account has quite literally generated over $12,000 in sales in the last couple months. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter here once I paste in her Instagram account. And what the AI will do is it will literally scan her entire profile and find the top performing posts from that profile sorted by views. Now, if you click here in this filter tab, you can actually filter by comments. You can also filter by likes. Now, in this case, I want to filter by views because we just want to look at the content that is the most viral. Now, what I call this is the 5x5 strategy, which is you want to find 5 Instagram accounts that are in your industry that you know that people are actually making decent sales in. So find those accounts, pop them into Alan AI, and do this exact process that I just showed you and filter by views to find the top 5 most viral viewed content on each of these Instagram profiles. Then all you have to do is study why exactly these posts did so viral. Was it the hook? Was it the text? Was it the caption? Was it, the visual, the music on the reel? And just simply make a piece of content that is very similar to it. Now, because we have AI here, the filtering is actually extremely easy. As you can see here, in a couple seconds, as soon as I click on views, it tells me all of the content filtered from highest viewed content to the least viewed content in the last 3 months. So we're looking at content that is recent and also extremely viral. And you know what's so cool about this? The videos are so freaking simple here. Let me actually just play one of these videos here. Let's play this one here. You see that? It's literally a 6-second video, just loops. And the coolest thing is she's completely faceless. She doesn't show her face. And the reason why this works so well is because when people see that she's doing the faceless, it actually inspires others that go, oh my gosh, if she can do a faceless, then maybe I could do faceless as well. So maybe I should buy her digital products to learn exactly how she's doing it faceless. And that is actually what inspires people to buy these products in the first place. And so again, this is why if you don't want to show your face, maybe you have a 9-to-5 job that you can't really show your face, you don't want your boss to know that you have a side hustle, or maybe you just genuinely value your privacy and you just don't want to build this personal brand showing your face, well, guess what? You could totally do a faceless just like Lilo does. Now, here's the genius part. Remember how I said that you want to model and modify someone's most viral content? Well, I'm going to take her most viral content. I'm going to check this box, and then you see that button here that says transcribe? Well, the moment I click on transcribe, the cool thing is it's actually going to scrape the entire video, the visual part of the video, and if there's audio, it's going to scrape the audio as well. And it's literally going to give me the exact word for word script of what exactly she said in the video. Now, here's the crazy part. I don't want to make my content from scratch. I don't want to sit here in front of my computer, try to write out my own scripts and burn all this mental creative energy making my own videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this button called write my own version. And I want you to see what happens here. Do you see how the AI will literally rewrite everything in your own voice? Because we've already set up your own personal story inside of the persona section you see here on the left side, right? And that's basically where you put in your own personal stories. You can see in my case, I said I used to work at Chipotle. I was drowning in student debt. And guys, look at the rewritten version. It literally already includes all of my personal details. This is the coolest thing. You basically have a copywriter, which by the way would cost you $4,000, $5,000 US per month in the States to hire a copywriter, but you have an AI copywriter who is on demand, always going to be there writing content for you in your voice instantly in seconds for every viral piece of content that you find online. So all you need to do is record this content, edit it up. Again, you don't need any fancy editing tools to post this content. And if you just make one of these videos on a daily basis, the amount of free traffic that your videos are going to generate is going to be pretty insane. So let me show you the simple math behind why this works so well. Let's say that you post 1 reel per day. Over the course of 30 days in a month, that's 30 reels, okay? And let's say that on average, every single reel makes you about 1,000 views, okay? Some of them might be do a little worse, some of them might do a lot better, but let's just average out 1,000 views per reel. Well, that's 30,000 views that you just generated for free, which by the way, typically a cost per 1,000 views generally is gonna be about $10, which means that to generate 30,000 views, you would have to spend $300 on ad spend to generate that amount of views. So just wanna let you know, you just hacked the social media algorithms by generating $300 worth of advertising, and you did not have to spend a single dollar in advertising to do that. That's pretty crazy, right? Now, to bring it back to those 30,000 free views that you generate, let's say that 2%, just 2%, end up clicking on the link in your bio, which the link in your bio, by the way, is the AI-built website called Allen.store, in my case, Allen.store/Richard U. Well, if 2% clicks on it, that's 600 visitors. And let's say that out of that small 2% of people that actually visited your website, you get a 3% conversion rate. And 3% of 600 clicks is 18 sales. Now, if you make an average commission of, let's just be conservative here, $150, which again, most product sales are going to be anywhere from $200 to $300, some even $500. Let's just say $150. You would have made $2,700, almost $100 a day in pure profit without having to do any of the selling, any of the website building, or even creating your own product online. Do you see how simple this is? But this is where things get a little crazy, because that example is only if your videos get 1,000 views. What if one of your videos gets 100,000 views or even 1,000,000 views? For example, Kayla is one of my students, a mom with 2 kids and working a full-time nursing job. One of her 7-second videos got 2 million views. Here, let me just play this for you right here, because so you guys can see how simple this is. Do you guys see this? It's literally just her drinking a cup of coffee. The video is 7 seconds long and it just loops over and over and over. And again, she's showing her face. If you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. Again, if you want to find fulfillment, for example, for me, I actually really enjoy building a personal brand. I love it when people come up to me and they ask and they thank me about the impact I've had on them. Then you can show your face. In her case, guys, if only just 0.5% of those views clicked on her profile, that's 9,500 website visitors. At a 2% conversion, that's 190 sales. You times that by, let's just say, a product of $100, that's $19,000 in sales. And in the case for Kayla, she actually made over $8,000 just from posting this one video selling digital products.
I actually started a brand new account at zero. Went from like 0 to 3,000 followers, then to 10,000 followers. I've been able to make $8,000.
That she didn't even have to create. How crazy is that? One video, life-changing money. So without writing a single line of code or even needing to drag and drop on a website, we have effectively, in less than 10 minutes, built out a fully done-for-you AI website, chosen done-for-you digital products that we did not have to make ourselves, and also we make viral 7-second videos that generate unlimited amounts of organic traffic so we don't have to spend any money on advertising. And if you want to learn exactly how to use AI tools like Alan to build a thriving online business, in fact, it's the same digital product business that made me over 27 million in the last 4 years, I'll put the first link in the description to a YouTube video that I need you to watch where I do a full side-by-side comparison of how selling digital products using AI compares to all the other businesses out there, and then I give you a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to get to 5, 10, even 20,000 a month selling digital products that you didn't have to create. So check out that full free course as the first link in the description, and I'll see you there on that video.